Every business is unique, each one pursuing different market opportunities with passion and vision. Many businesses share common goals like reducing costs, ensuring workplace safety, and using their people power wisely and efficiently. Businesses have embraced robotics and other process automations to continuously improve. The growing sophistication of our work environments continues to increase productivity. Those same businesses require technology that supports the level of performance necessary to make all of this possible. And that's where a 5G network comes in. Come, let's take a look. In this factory, a private 5G network is hard at work, enabling all the automation and efficiency that's happening all around us. This automaker developed a state-of-the-art production line where humans and autonomous machines work together. Every piece of equipment and tool is connected via an on-site 5G network, which enables real-time data collection and analysis on a large scale. This allows precisely coordinated manufacturing machines and robotic arms to hoist and connect parts, while mobile autonomous guided vehicles, or AGVs, whiz about and deliver parts to assembly stations as needed. All of this works together to help the plant develop a more efficient system and streamline the complex automotive manufacturing process. Manufacturers and other businesses are also using automation to enhance quality assurance practices. 5G-enabled high-definition computer vision cameras check for defects and deficiencies in real time as vehicles move down the line, preventing flawed products from leaving the factory. This impressive high-tech collaboration between humans and machines is a wonder to watch. It delivers resources to the right place at the right time, making this factory more efficient while reducing costs and downtime. Now, I mentioned this factory is running all these solutions on a 5G private network. You might be wondering, how does a public network stack up against this private one? Well, picture a car you drive off the lot at a local dealership. That's a public network. It's like the cars you see everyone using every day. Now picture a high-tech race car built for performance and speed. A private 5G network is tailored for a specific purpose, precisely engineered to your business's needs for coverage, reliability, latency, and privacy. Robotic and automation deployments that require split-second timing often take advantage of multi-access edge computing, or MEC, in addition to a private network. MEC moves the computing of information as close to the action as needed to get the right performance. For our manufacturer here, this means moving the computing power from a traditional cloud that could be thousands of miles away to a spot right here on the floor. This means no delays in data communications, which is crucial for AGVs. Navigating a busy factory floor and coordinating the movements of assembly robots. And for humans, it allows for instant analysis and insights, so you can make informed decisions in real time. When your data is processed on site, this ensures even greater privacy and security. You control exactly who has access. That's essential for businesses with sensitive intellectual property or operational processes, or any business for that matter. And again, this factory's private 5G network is what makes all of this possible. 5G can even help you scale your operation. With the flexibility 5G provides, this factory can be easily scaled up or down to implement workflow improvements, like adding an overnight shift on the line. Imagine being able to retool your assembly line on the fly. You can redesign how work gets done, automating repetitive processes and improving accuracy, all without missing a beat. While every business is unique, many of their goals overlap. Whether you're looking to save money, enhance operations and compliance, or improve safety. It's no easy task, but 5G is up to the challenge, and then some. Now, as you've seen, the flexibility, reliability, and high-performance capability of private 5G networks and multi-edge computing are changing how businesses stay productive and competitive. And they're enabling levels of automation unlike anything we've ever seen. These applications of 5G are unlocking new breakthroughs in efficiency, scalability, and customization, not only in manufacturing, but transportation, aviation, and healthcare. And as these breakthroughs continue to unfold, so will the way businesses apply them. In our next video, we'll show you even more exciting possibilities. I'll see you there.